Hi there. Now we'll have to try to solve this simple physics problem that says a 40 kilogram block rests at the top of a smooth plane whose length is 4 meters and height of 0.50 meters. What is the time required for the block to slide to the bottom of the plane? Okay, so the first step of course here is to draw. If you are right-handed, you draw the block like this. Okay, oh I think there's a problem, no? Medyo light ang atong. So this is the, the smooth plane which is an inclined whose length is 4 meters and a height of zero point 0.5. So, kani nga inclined bali, 4 ni siya. Okay, iyang height kay 0.5. Okay, I think that's not drawn to scale. 0.5 meters. Okay, what is the time required for the block to slide down to the bottom of the plane? So, nadiri ang block primero, then time for it to reach the bottom of the plane. Okay, so the analysis here will just be easy if we know how fast will the block be moving downward, no? Normally this is motion due to gravity, and we know that yung na we undergo a uniform or constant acceleration ng mga motion, no? Constant acceleration, and if we know already the acceleration, then things will be easy. Ano man, naran tayo mga equation dahil na usually ginagamit for constant acceleration. Ano ba? Let me write it down. Itong mga common ka na ko nga equation na ginasulat for constant acceleration. V final is equal to V initial plus AT. What else? Usually also write D, distance traveled, is equal to um, velocity initial times time plus 1/2 AT squared. What else? Usually also try to memorize 2AD is equal to velocity final squared minus velocity initial squared. Nga na. Mo na siya pinaka-common na equation na ginagamit-gamit na ko pag mag-solve ko constant acceleration. Kani siya, ang problema lang nato is we don't know what is the acceleration yet. But to determine the acceleration, we need to do a free body diagram to this one, to this block. Okay, ang technique sa free body diagram kay simple lang kayo. No, you just analyze all the forces acting to it. Then simple lang. In this case, pag incline gali mo ang plane, you always write the x-axis daadto sa incline. No? So, for shall we say mo na nga to ang block diri. Okay? You make this as your x-axis. And always make your y perpendicular to your x-axis. Okay? That's your y. Okay? And what are the forces acting on this block? Well, we have downward, which is weight. What else? We have normal force. Wait. Normal force. I think I need to use another color for that. So again, mga force acting, we have weight, which is downward. Normal force, which is normal. And what else? Kay smooth plane man siya, wala kay friction sa mga smooth, wala kay mga friction. Anyway, wala pa siya gahatag og ano, coefficient, friction coefficient or mu. So therefore, sayon lang, we just, use Newton's law pag ma-resolve na nato. Summation of forces along x-axis must be equal to, along x must be equal to, kuan, sa baba, max. And in this case, we know that when this block moves, ang iyang movement along x-axis lang. So, mo nga to ang concern. Okay, so let's first find what is summation of forces along x, so that we'll know what is, ax. And if you know ax, we'll use this equation. Mamili lang ta diani kung sa tong gamiton para makuha nato ang sa required. Okay? So in that case, fx. So summation of force along x. Kung sa may x component dire. Anyway, I think kanilang ato ang ato ang weight. Weight could be actually nasa component, along x o along x o along y. So what is this? Unsa man ni siya bali? Okay, let me change color. So kani nga component, right? Kani ra man ang x component sa imong weight unsa man ni siya, pila man ni. Okay? So kay mo lang tawon diri karon og tarong, kani nga angle siya is mao ni nga angle, right? Tama, di ba? Tama mo na angle theta. So pila ang theta? Well, theta based on this sketch is what? Kung theta na siya, I think we could use no, kabalota debra nga cosine theta is equal to kani pila man ni 0.5 adjacent over hypotenuse, so 0.5 over 4, and therefore theta will be cosine inverse of 0.5 over 4. So pila man na siya? 0.5 over 4. So according to our calculator, cosine inverse of, so dapat naka-degree mode ko na. Cosine inverse of 0.5 divided 4 is equal to 82. Wow, 82.8. So 82.82 degrees. Okay? So therefore, what is this? Pila man na siya bali, pila man ni siya nga component. Makita mo na to diri nga kaning W along x or WX is equal to, kita na to no nga murag kuan lang siya, kung theta ni siya W cosine theta, right? Okay, so what is that? What is weight? Well, so tanong ko ano, cosine of 0.5 over 4 day ang cosine theta. So anyway, cosine of katong answer ganina, klaro na kayo ang answer 1/8 or 0.5 over 4. Then times weight. Pila man ang weight? Well, the weight is 40 kilograms times 9.8. So 40 times 9.81. Therefore, ang component will be 49.05 Newton. Okay? Muna ang WX. And actually, mao lang na ang force acting along X. Therefore, if we use this, 49.05 Newton equal to mass, which is 40. Actually, naga-cancel lang unta na sila, but never mind. Therefore, AX is equal to, anyway, mas cover man gyapon. AX, the acceleration along X is equal to what? 49.05 divided 40. Okay, the answer will be 1.226 meters per second squared. Now, bali mo accelerate siya downward by that. So, ang question is, what is the time required for the block to slide down the bottom of the plane? Time ang ginapangita, no? Kabuluta, distance traveled must be 4. Initial velocity must be, so I think ani, right? Like, what is initial velocity of the block? So start ba, nagdaga na daan ng block, no? I think block starts at the rest, so meaning VO is 0. So if we use this equation, you could be able to obtain what? The D distance must be traveled along the x will be 4 equal to VO 0 plus 1 half A, which is 1.226 d squared. Okay, therefore time needed for the block to reach the bottom is equal to 4 times 2 divide 1.226 and take the square root of that. Answer will be 2.56 seconds. And therefore we're happy that it's letter A. Okay, thank you.